me, I want to equip as many people as I can with those fundamental leadership elements because, you know, the world needs more leaders right now. Leaders focus specifically and only on the important. It's about understanding where we can have the most impact. And for a lot of people, when they choose what to focus on, they think about urgency. What we also need to focus on is impact, importance, value, contribution. Leaders need to know leadership, show leadership, and grow leadership.
You just need to carve out a little bit of space to kind of check the temperature, find out what's really going on, what's important, what's going well, what maybe needs a bit of support, and what their future focus is.
The first P is purpose. This change, this thing we're doing, what's the purpose of it? Why are we doing it? Why now? Almost every conversation is an opportunity to coach. What's the picture of where we're going with this change or situation? Each person wants to know how can they be part of it, how can they contribute. One of the most important things we can do to re-establish connection is consistent communication.
Focus on the things that are important, that are going to have a high impact.
The building capability isn't just about actually having the capability. It's about people feeling confident that yes, I can participate because I've got capability. You need to face up to yourself, to show up every day, and to step up. The most important thing to me is when someone comes to an event with me, whether it's speaking or training, giving them practical, easy to implement things that make everything seem possible. And so what I want to leave you with is the question, which one of those three do you need to focus on?